Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag free internship and courses program. In this video, we are going to learn Google is providing the free data analytics apprenticeship 2027. Last date of apply this one is August 3rd 2026 and this is for the any graduate. So we'll go through the step by step process for that, and Google has officially opened up application for the free data Analytics Apprenticeship March 2027 batch, and in this video we'll learn everything about the Google Data Analytics Apprenticeship 2027, including the eligibility criteria. Any graduate can apply. Required skill, locations. There is a four locations are there: Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Gurugram, and Mumbai. 24 months paid apprenticeship selection process and important documents. Last date to apply 3rd August 2026, and officially application process step by step. And this apprenticeship is an excellent opportunity for the fresh graduate interested in data analytics, SQL, Google Workspace, and building a career at Google. So this is the link where we can apply this one. An official career link is this one, and like, share and subscribe for the latest free certification, internship and apprenticeship. So we'll go through this apply link. When you will open this apply link, you will find this page. So there is a data analytics apprenticeship March 2027 start batch, and this is a company is Google, and there is a four locations are there, and this is a part of the internet apprentice. So application instruction is there. Apprenticeship each are not a full-time permanent opportunity. This is the program is 24 months in duration, and while this program is open for those who are interested in the data analytics career, recent graduate and individuals and work experience in other industries may apply. Apprenticeship are only eligible to apply for any other full-time role at the Google, and last 3 months are their apprenticeship program tenure. Okay. So you cannot apply if you are doing this. So one onboarded transfer location is not permitted for the apprenticeship. So means that if you are selected for the Hyderabad, you have to stay in Hyderabad, and they will not change the location. So applicant must include the resume in their application and clearly calling their year of graduation. So this is very important, and the whole process will take around 18 to 24 months. So kindly be patient during the same. This role is not eligible for the sponsorship or compensation negotiation, and this posting will be live until the August 3rd 2026. So government mandates and application is there. Candidate must possess active mobile number linked with the Aadhaar number and active personal ID. Both the things needed for the registration, eKYC and verification process. And candidate should have and must possess in the Aadhaar seeded bank account. A person may undergo a maximum two apprenticeship training, and the second training shall not be in the same trade. Means you can go for the two apprenticeship but not in the same trade. The additional application guidelines is there. So candidates should not have previously undergo apprenticeship training under the Apprenticeship Act, and we'll go with the minimum qualification. There is a bachelor's degree in any field, less than 1 year relevant experience in data analytics, and post graduation experience with using the Google Workspace. There is a Gmail, Chrome, Docs, Sheet, etc., or similar application. Ability to communicate in the English field fluently, to understand and execute instruction, and learn via training, documentation, and presentation. So preferred qualification is there: knowledge of the data analytics analysis and interest in the working with the number and patterns, ability to work independently and with a team framework, ability to navigate ambiguous tasks, find suitable solutions, seek help and advice where appreciated. Excellent problem solving and critical thinking skill, understanding of SQL programming. About the job, this is for the 24-month, and this is a Google Data Analytics Apprentice Learning and Development Program. And weekly in office participate full time, 40 hours in weekly. Then we'll come to the responsibilities. So assess data accurately and identify the anomalies, create documentation for the knowledge sharing and conduct custom analysis for uncover industry insight of the Google customer. Solve real-time problems and developing the learning of the working leaders. Get an understanding of the data lifecycle, how to translate to the different business units, solving the issue and data. And others are there. So develop knowledge in essential data analysis skill and use spreadsheet and programming language to organize and analyze the data. So all the details are there, and there is a apply link is there. When you click on the apply link, you will find this page. There is a 5 step to complete. First, you have to create your profile, and this profile will save your info so that we can apply quickly and provide the personalized job recommendation and career content to help you in your search. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. Legal name, first name, middle name, last name, suffix is there, and add prefer name if you want, and there is a email address. If you want to change the email address, this is already logged in. If you want to change, then you can go with the switch accounts. Mobile number, select the country code, and there is a mobile number, and this is very important. You have to upload the resume, and that should be written in the graduation detail, passing year, and other check boxes and radio buttons are there. This is for the privacy policy, term and condition. So all the details, and you uh, provide the information true and accurate for the your consent is there. So submit and continue. So all the step by step process you have to go through this. So finally this one. So like, share and subscribe for the latest free certification and internship and apprenticeship. So now disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belongs to their respective owners, and no copyright violation is intended. For copyright concern, you can send me mail on the chiragmahto@gmail.com. You can follow me on YouTube, LinkedIn, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video, and do you have any question, then drop them into comment box. Like, share and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto official. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.